Hi everyone and welcome back. I know it's been 2 times in one day. Surprising. I've been really behind with my YouTube videos lately, and I just finished filming a very exciting Erin Condren unboxing, the new Dot Journal collection, aka bullet journal collection, and they are petite journals and fit into the folios, which I love. This video is a sad but sweet video. It is my very last Birds Fly Studio monthly nest subscription box. The amazing Birds Fly Studio has grown rapidly her shop, which generally speaking, her shop is amazing. So I don't blame her. I mean, I know I have a blog and a channel and I can't even keep up with that. So I can just imagine offering the monthly subscription box that's reoccurring, plus having the shop, plus being a Go Wild shop sponsor. It's a lot to have on one person's plate. That's why I always sympathize with shop owners. Even though I am not a shop owner, having a blog and a channel, a lot goes into that. And a lot of these shop owners have a channel also. And some have blogs that they maintain. So I give them a lot of credit. And even though I totally understand, I am going to miss this beautiful subscription box because her boxes were so thoughtful and made with love. And you could tell she truly, genuinely cares about her customers. So I felt the need, since I already have my equipment out, to film this very last Birds Fly Studio monthly nest planner subscription box by Birds Fly Studio. So let's get on with the unboxing. Okay, so I've done videos before on this beautiful monthly nest subscription box, and I apologize in advance if there is sounds in the background. I am doing this outside because my lighting isn't cooperating today in my house. But anyway, like I said, I had to film this last box because I'm going to miss it. But like I said, I totally understand. It is a lot. I know me, I can hardly keep up with my blog and channel. I couldn't imagine having a shop and being a shop sponsor for Go Wild on top of it with the swag. So with that being said, I am going to open this. So every month it comes wrapped in Robin's Egg Blue tissue paper. That's her iconic, well, brand color, with the monthly nest logo sticker on it, along with the monthly nest seal. So this is a sad but sweet moment. I am going to miss my monthly nest, but like I said, I love her and Birds Fly Studio, and I've been getting this box since last June. I met her in Austin for Go Wild in May of 2018 and started getting the monthly nest the month after in June. So this is April. And this is her monthly nest, but like I said, this is the last month. So what you could do is go to her shop on Etsy, and she has amazing kits. She also has kids happy planner kits. If you have a kid in the planning, she has bullet journal and stickers. She has everything. Her shop is amazing. So anyway, this is the very last monthly nest, and this is April's subscription box. She always adds like very sweet touches. Last month there was this acrylic, I think it's acrylic or raisin, or I can't even pronounce it, but it was a bow, like a pale pink bow flare pen. It was so cute. So you get the sweet basil herb for planting. You have your washi, and it's always based upon a theme. And then you have this beautiful bookmark. I love this for your planner or for a book you're reading. And then you have the coordinating die cuts. Every month you get a coordinating journal card. This looks like it almost looks laminated, because I usually always laminate hers and use them in my personal planners. They fit perfectly as a dashboard, and I punched them. I will also, in the description box below, put the punch I use for personal size planning. It is from Recollections, and it's a pretty gold color, and it is really reasonable. And then you get the sticker kit that coordinates with the monthly nest. So you always get an 8-sheet sticker kit. I love this theme. It has like the aprons, watch me grow. It's like a floral. It has like the little journal card, but sticker. And then you got your rounded half boxes along with your rounded quarter boxes. I love these washi strips. This is for the Erin Condren. You were able to pick the planner of your choice. And then there's these little clipboards, stickers. And then you have your Monday through Sunday headers, covers, along with the date dots. And then you have these beautiful little heart checklist flags, the weekend. And these are like some of my favorite. These are very different, but they're super cute. They're almost like color blocked. Half boxes, but there's 3 lines. And then you got your headers today to do little things, reminders, workshop, spending, don't forget, urgent, and next week. And these are also headers, which I'll show you. As you can see, they're not full boxes, they're headers. You do get a sheet of full boxes though also. And then this is like another one of my favorite sheets. I don't track my water intake, which I really should, but you could even cover this up and use it as a regular habit tracker. I've done that in the past. So we have a bunch of Monday through Sunday habit tracker single boxes. I love that. And I love these laundry lines. And these are actually one of my favorites too, these heart quarter boxes that are squared. So again, this was an 8-sheet sticker kit on top of all the accessories and goodies. And this adorable charm. She always mixed it up, but you always got the kit and the washi. Everything that came consistent with her subscription kits were the washi, the kits, and mostly the journal card. But I liked how a couple of them, there was pens, there was like, it was called a milk liner. It was actually better than the mile liners. In last month's subscription box. But yes, this was a wonderful value for the price. It was like 25 bucks altogether monthly, and it came out on the 15th, which was genius because most people are paid on the 15th. But anyway, that is the very last monthly subscription box, the monthly nest subscription box. This is the last month, April of 2019, and I can't wait to see her in Vegas in the next like 2 weeks. I can't believe Go Wild's already coming up again. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe down below. Give this video a thumbs up. I would truly appreciate it. And let me know in the comment section below what you think of this beautiful monthly subscription box from Birds Fly Studio. I will also link her shop in the description box because everybody needs to check her shop out. It is absolutely beautiful. I've been getting these for just about a year now. Thank you all for watching my videos, and I will talk to you again soon.